Hi everybody, just a brief video to explain to you how the rest of our semester is going to run. So Unit 6 is our last unit of semester 1. It will run through um, December 18th, which is the last day before you will leave for Christmas break. So the 18th. So on the 21st, you're going to start break. Technically, if you get everything completed before you leave for break, you are going to be completely done with our English class, minus our final exam, which you will take when you get back from Christmas break. So, what I want to make sure you understand is the 18th is our last day. Then you are on break until the 1st. The 4th will be your first day back, and then the 8th is the last day. January 8th is the last day of our semester. So this will be a makeup week slash final exam week. So if you get everything finished before Christmas break, you are going to be done with English. If you do not get everything finished before Christmas break, then you will obviously need to work over the break to get caught up on anything that you're missing. So just wanted to clarify that and make sure you're aware of how that's going to work. So our last unit is a hero unit. This is a unit that most of my students really enjoy. So what I want to just give you kind of a little bit of a preview of what you're going to be looking at and what we're doing over the next 3 weeks. We're going to be reading two stories. One is The Ballad of Mulan, and the other is a retelling of The Ballad of Mulan. And basically, Mulan is what you're thinking. It is the Disney story Mulan. And so we're going to be learning a little bit about that, and we're going to be learning about ballads and heroes and those types of things. So with this last unit, I will let you know assignments are going to be very brief. So the first assignment that you'll be looking at is a Mulan fact assignment, and I will be going over all of these in detail in Class Connect. So make sure you're attending those. But you only have one assignment this week. You do have several lesson pages, however, that you need to make sure that you are reading and looking at and videos. And that's going to take up a significant amount of your time for week 1. Okay, so make sure that you're not skipping any of those and that you're definitely looking through all the lesson pages. So the first week, we only have that one assignment, right? So then we're going to go down into week 2, and week 2 is an argumentative writing week. So we're going to dive into argumentative writing. What's kind of cool is that you guys have been learning a lot about rhetoric, rhetorical devices, logical fallacies. That moves all into argumentation. They kind of go hand in hand and they're connected to each other. So that rhetoric unit 5 just transitions super well into unit 6. So we're going to talk a lot about argumentative writing. You do have several lesson pages here as well and videos that you will need to make sure to look at and read. And then the only assignment for this week is quiz. So the final thing that you're going to be doing in week 3 is you're going to be writing an argumentative essay. And what you're basically going to be doing is you're going to be comparing the Ballad of Mulan to a retelling. And there's some specific things that you'll have to do, and it is an argumentative essay, so there are very specific things that are required in an argumentative essay as opposed to a regular like expository essay or a narrative or something to that effect. It's definitely different, which you're going to learn all about that way up here if you don't already know what some of the things that go into an argumentative essay are. So once you are looking at your argumentative essay, that last week, you are going to spend writing and working on that argumentative essay. The one thing that I want to clarify to you about this argumentative essay. And I'm going to click on this because it's going to give you a little bit more of an idea of what you're looking at. Um, you have an outline that's going to be attached to this argumentative essay. So they're all down here. Like you have the ballad, you have the retelling, you have the actual assignment, and then you have an outline. The outline is required, but you are not turning it in to me. You are only turning in the essay. I would like for everyone to use the outline. It's going to be super important for you to write effectively for this. And I am going to be able to tell if you use the outline or if you do not use the outline. So it's really important that you're using the outline to write this. We are going to kind of work on this together one day in Class Connect. Then the nice thing about this is that this assignment is for completion credit only. So what that means is you're either going to get a 0 for completely doing it wrong or not doing it, or you're going to get a 40 out of 40 because you gave it 100% an honest effort. So we're going to talk more about what that honest effort entails, because some of honest effort one person might be a little different than for another person. So it's going to be honest effort to my standards. So we'll talk about exactly what that means when we go over the assignment. But that hopefully will take a little bit of pressure off of some of you, because what I want to see is we're just now starting to talk about argumentative writing. So I don't expect you to be experts in it at all. But what I do expect is that I'm seeing the things that you need to have in an argumentative essay in your essay. So we will talk more about the unit as it progresses, but I just wanted to let you know where things were going for the last 3 weeks. Like I said, once this argumentative essay is complete, and if you've completed every other assignment that's open from units 5 and 6, then you are going to be free for Christmas break and able to relax, sit back, and enjoy. If you are not finished, you're going to have some things to work on over the break. So just wanted to give you a heads up on where we were at and what you can look forward to. If you have any questions, please let me know.